So it is 6:10 in the morning, 11th of December. It is my brother's birthday. I've not wished him yet, but I made this video as a video diary, video note. So semester 5th has come to an end. An odd semester, my third year's first semester. I used to think always when I was a kid that engineering has 4 years, so I used to think the third year would be the most hectic. But for me, in my case, first 2 years were very hectic. This semester was tough, not in the natural sense, but tough in the sense that I had to manage too many things at once. I had to manage everything almost. I had my feet in every single boat. The things which I genuinely avoided in my first and second years, but this year I felt that it was something which was necessary, which needed to be done. So it could not be avoided. Other than that, it was a sem where I was lost. Lost in the sense that I didn't know which direction to pursue next. In a way that till I got an intern, I always used to have something in my head. I had this dilemma in my head, but I had this thought of pursuing further education, higher studies, always in my head, but it used to get suppressed by the thought that, see, right now I don't even have an intern, so I need to work to get an intern. That kind of gave me a very steady path. It gave me a very well-defined path of what to do in order to secure an intern, and I kind of did that. This semester, that path, that journey, didn't come to an end, but in a way, did get fulfilled, right? So after that point, I felt a bit lost. I don't know what to do anymore, which direction to go, and I was lost. And to be very honest, I'm still lost. I don't have much idea of what exact direction to pick, but I'll find a way. What I learned this sim is what I learned this sim is not much. It's something that it's okay to be lost. It's okay to be lost, but you still keep going. You can see many. It's not once in your life that you'll feel lost. You can feel lost after a failure, after success. You can feel lost for countable reasons. But one thing which I learned is that picking some speed, even when you're lost, will serve you well. Like, even if you pick a speed of, suppose earlier you were running with the speed of 20, and now after being lost you can run with the speed of, say, 5, right? And it won't do much harm to you. 5 is good because it's better than 0 and it's much better than -5. So yeah, I guess that's it. There's not much learnings. It was a great a sem where I learned a lot of things. I spent a lot of time with my friends, with someone who really cares for me, and I talked to my professors, and I found it really nice talking to them. I guess that's it. I don't have much to talk. Yeah, good semester. A semester where I felt lost for the first time in my college life. So it didn't happen to me for year 1, year 2, year 1, year 2. I was very straightforward. I knew this I had to do and I had to do this like this. This semester it was a bit different. This semester it was a bit tough, personally. It's nothing, they're just exercising. Alright, so retiring this semester. Bye.